Tatlong bagay na ginagawa mo kapag feeling mo hindi ka enough. Number 1, you wait to be invited. Hindi ka marunong magyaya kasi iniisip mo baka ayaw nila sa'yo at tanggihan ka nila. Kaya lagi mo lang iniintay na i-invite ka. Number 2, you second guess your words. Kapag wala kang believe sa sarili mo, ganito ka magsalita. Alam niyo masarap yung kape dun sa Ganyan ka magsalita kasi natatakot ka na baka mali pala ang sasabihin mo at mapahiya ka. Number 3, you seek validation but you reject it. You are craving for affirmation, pero once makatanggap ka naman, feeling mo hindi mo deserve. Sa isip-isip mo, kung alam nila ang totoong pagkatao mo, hindi nila yun sasabihin sa'yo. If you're doing any of these, it's time to talk to yourself as if you're talking to someone you love. Meaning, be gentle yet encouraging. Remind yourself that you are enough.